Let me teach you something, how to make money on the Forex trading. Actually, I'm showing you my live account. This is MT4 and you connect it with the FXPesa. The link of FXPesa is downward below, and as you can see is green. When it is green or blue here, you are on the positive side. So I'm going to press here and you can see the profit that I'm making right here with only $124. Of course, that is my balance, and you can see $124 already. The profit is appearing up there. That is 5.1. That's around 600 Kenya shillings daily. And of course, I've made money on this application. Let me just show you. So that's for today. For the last week, let me just show you the profit. You can see the profit is, that's actually for 2 to 3 days. So actually every day I'm making like $10 every day, and that sounds very amazing when you just make like 1,000 or 1,200 Kenya shillings with only 10k. That's amazing. And you can do all this with FXPesa if you just register with the link below on this video. So you can see the balance is still adding and adding $6.77 and adding and going up and up. So actually I was close at it at 10 because my target, of course, when it reaches 8.3, of course that becomes 1,000 Kenya shillings, and that is my target every day. So my target is 1,000 Kenya shillings every day and not more than that. So you can see it also. I'll be showing you how to withdraw live or using this account because it's very easy to use FXPesa and all that. Now to that is FXPesa, or now to just do it, because the moment you just register using my link, you also be earning $15 when you just register using my link. Yeah, so you get $15. Just imagine when you just register for the first time. You can trade even with 500 Kenya shillings here, $5. That is the minimum that you can allow you to make money over here. How interesting it is to use FXPesa and these kinds of the platform. Yeah, let me just know what you think in the comment section below, because if you just use FXPesa to register, I'll be also showing you the strategy that you have to use so that you can just be making profit like me. See you next time. Goodbye.